We want to ensure that regardless of your zip code, regardless of the family that you're born into, regardless of your family's income, that children have access to high quality care.
I've been in childcare for 40 years. The Daycare Council has supported me for that long. They provided resources for the community, the school. They have professional development for our teachers, medication training, child abuse, education courses.
We are a membership organization that's working with childcare providers and center-based programs and in home-based programs across the city. And then we connect New York City families to programs and help them access those services.
The Daycare Council's role is so essential to us daycare providers and these type of communities serving Black and brown students because they're really the force behind us. There have been so many times that a lot of parents would have not known about me if it wasn't for the Daycare Council. They are able to help you in ways that if I were a daycare provider on my own, there are a lot of doors I feel like I would not have been able to open.
If you walk through our office, you might see a training going on. You will hear our child care specialists and counselors on the phone with families.
The Daycare Council is very unique in that we provide on-the-ground support for people doing the work day in and day out with children and families. And we also do a lot of advocacy on the policy level that will actually make effective change.
The early care and education workforce is undervalued because of a history of discrimination. The early care and education workforce is overwhelmingly women, and here in New York City especially, it is overwhelmingly women of color. We have fought to increase wages for the early childhood workforce. We've gotten the largest New York State investment in early childhood education in the state's history, and we've made it easier for families to find the child care providers that meet their needs.
Families know that their children from 0 to 5 years old are in safe, high-quality settings with trained professionals who are educating them, not just babysitting them. We are stepping boldly into the next iteration of the Daycare Council, and we want to be here to help families and providers access and provide the services.